In this video, I will be showing you 10 programs that are better than the apps made by Microsoft, most of which are included in Windows by default. It's not necessarily that those apps are bad. Those I show you are more alternatives that might work better for you. Let's dive in. First up is the Windows default browser, Microsoft Edge, which is built on Google's Chrome. While Edge is an improvement over the past couple of years, it's become heavily blayouted, using up more system resources, and it nags a lot to get you to try out its so-called features. There are several browsers we could recommend as alternatives to Edge, but I'll mention a few here. The Brave browser is great for those of you that are focused on privacy. For productivity and the largest number of customization options to make it your own, nothing tops Vivaldi. And for those who don't want browsers built on Chrome, Firefox is still hanging around with useful features that don't use up too many system resources. And it's also good for privacy-minded people not wanting any telemetry being sent back to Microsoft or Google. On Windows, searching for files and folders on your computer can be a tedious process. This is a free and open-source program. I highly recommend doing this, called Everything. Just by typing in the search box, Everything will quickly fine-tune files and folders, unlike Windows files. When it comes to editing videos, essentially all you can do in Windows is trim a video, which for some might be the only feature you need. If you need additional features, Microsoft owns Clipcast, which does offer some features for free. It's an online free editor that does require an internet connection to use and can be quite sluggish at times. Another downside of using it for free is that they'll slap their branded watermark on your export, and they will limit the export resolution unless you pay for a premium account, which is around $12 per month. A couple free and open source programs. I recommend that they don't have any limitations and are easy to use, including Kdenlive and the other free open source video editing program, Shotcut. The absolutely best free video editor is DaVinci Resolve. While it does offer more and high-end features for professionals, it will take more time and effort than the other two mentioned to learn how to use it. They do offer a paid version. They call it DaVinci Resolve Studio. Unless you're making the next Hollywood blockbuster, the free version should be all you need. The photo app built into Windows is lackluster, best at a very limited set of features and limited support of image formats. It just became so frustrating to use. Fan View is a huge step up with support of Windows 11, going all the way back to Windows XP. You can quickly load images with support for dozens of image formats. While its interface does look dated, it's packed with full features. You can batch convert images, organize your photos, and make basic edits. Plugin support is also available to enhance and improve functionality. This will be the quick one. While Notepad has made a few minor improvements over the past couple of years, if you need something with more advanced text functions, for example, when writing code, it's best to upgrade something better. The free and open source Notepad++ is the better choice for syntax highlighting, code folding, and auto-completion for scripting and programming while using less CPU power than Windows' built-in Notepad. The snipping tool built in Windows is decent for taking basic screenshots on your screen, but the feature is very limited. For taking screenshots for free and open source, FlameShot is the good one that a lot of people use. It's highly customizable with a good amount of in-app screenshot editing tools. Another free and open source screenshot utility is ShareX. ShareX has an insane number of ways to take screenshots, and it can also record video of what's on screen. It also includes other tools that are quite useful, including a color picker, a video converter, an image editor, and a whole lot more, instead of using the video capture in the snipping tool. The free and open source OBS Studio is a far superior camera and addition to recording video that's on your screen. It also allows you to stream live to various devices, including YouTube and Twitch. To play the video files on your computer, there is an app known as Window Media Player, and it has the issue of video file support and has numerous playback issues with certain files. If you want a better media player for playing videos, I have two recommendations. First of it, which is the freeware media player called Pot Player. It will play every audio or video file that you throw at it, and it optimizes your media for seamless playback. For pure simplicity, the free and open source player is VLC Media Player, which is the best choice for most. It has excellent file support and is available on just about every platform, including iOS and Android. Did you know that the window has a sound recorder, which they call a sound recorder built in? That will record audio coming from a screen or microphone. If your answer is no, you're not alone and should probably forget I just mentioned it. For recording audio on your computer, Audacity is far superior to the Windows Sound Recorder. This free open source program also have an audio editor built in. It supports all major audio file formats, features, and multi-track mixing. And to enhance the functionality, it has third-party plugin support. Thanks for watching!